Alright, so my hair is like all kinds of wavy today because I didn't pull it up as soon as I got out of the shower last night. But we are going to the beach today, hence why my hair is like a mess. It'd be pretty if it's just I didn't have some 80s thing going on up here.
Else, because I don't know if I like Michelob Ultra.
Cat's walking the dog.
I know, we're getting ready to go.
Got the girls ready to go. Got some food, drinks. I'll show you our nifty like pet water bowl thing for the beach when we go. We is at the beach. All the babies. Well, the cats can't really be here. Karma, are you excited? Are you happy? There's like nobody here. Well, this is kind of like a place where none of the tourists come because they don't know about it. And that is about as far out as Libby will go. She hates the water and sand. But she likes being outside, so she gets over it. Kristen's forcing Libby into the water so that she can cool off. Just wait till Libby gets back up here. She's gonna look like a drowned rat. She's trying to get Karma out there too. Karma's like, no. She's like, the water is up to my belly. I am good. Karma's like, my mother, mommy's up there. I'll come closer to her instead of in the water. I'm surprised Karma's not running after the waves. She likes to run after them a lot. And drink all the salt water and make herself sick. Come here, baby. Come here, pretty girl. Come here. Look at that face. Come here, pretty girl. Let's get you some water. Come here. Oh, you so nice and wet. Ooh, there's a butt scratcher. She's so selfish. She's dunking Louie now. Can't really see her. See, she looks like a little brown rat right now. A very cute and adorable rat. So I just had to chase after this fucker twice. So Kristen can have the honors of trying to fix it this time. It's so crazy, like, how much the tides come up since we got here. But we are about to leave because, as mentioned previously, the umbrella kept flying away, so now we don't have any shade for the dogs, so we feel a little bad. So we're going to take them home, and we're just going to go to the pool. So we came to the pool after leaving the beach. Well, we gave the dogs, or Kristen gave the dogs a bath first before we came here. But we swam. Now we're just drying off, and we are going to go to Bubba Garcia's to eat. We're getting ready right now. Gonna make all this shit disappear with some powerful makeup. So, yeah. I look slightly better. So, Kristen's doing her makeup now, so hopefully we will be leaving within the next 30 minutes. Look how long my hair is getting. It's getting long, getting long. I'm so tired all of a sudden. Like, well, that's a lie. We started getting tired at the pool. We were sitting there like drying off and stuff. We were just sitting there and I was like, okay, Kristen, you ready to go home? Are you ready? She's like, yeah. And we didn't move for like another 20 minutes. Yeah, once we get up and going, I'll be fine. But right now, I'm just so ready to go night-night. But this makeup is, I don't love my makeup today. At least, like, all my breakouts are kind of covered, except for this little one you can still kind of see, but my eyeballs didn't work with me like I wanted it to. Can you see it? Oh, the eyeliner didn't do right. Glitter everywhere. And I'm sunburnt. You can tell.